Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for PlayStation error code WS-37116-8. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to load or sync their trophies. Many users reported that trophies are not loading either on the PS4 or the mobile app. According to our research, the error mainly comes from the server side, which causes issues with syncing trophies. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. Once restarted, try syncing your trophies again. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then it is likely a server-side issue. In this case, there is nothing you can do on your end to resolve it. Just wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.